Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a few days in my life little vlog. I'm currently in quarantine because I'm going home for Thanksgiving, so I wanted to do a little quarantine, get COVID tested before I go see my family. But I thought, why not share this experience with you? I've already been doing it since last Friday and today's Wednesday. Today I'm getting a COVID test. I'm working. Tomorrow I'm getting a COVID test. And then hopefully I'm going home Friday. So let's have a fun few days together and let's get it started.
You're ultraviolet, and every time I know the truth.
Lunchtime.
Speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. Swallow this song to serenade the ultraviolets.
It's COVID test time. Let's do a little fit check. Here's my off to go get a COVID test fit, vest, hoodie, tee, jeans, Nikes, and a hat, and a mask. Let's go. I'm nervous to do it myself, but we're doing it. I wasn't aware it's raining and 41 degrees.
You're ultraviolet anyway, and every time I know the truth. Speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. Swallow this song to serenade the ultraviolets all alone.
Super easy, right?
So easy. So just put this back in?
Yep.
Cool. What do I do with this little? Oh, you don't need it. Okay, cool.
But you should receive an email.
Okay.
Giving your results.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Any questions or concerns?
I think I'm good.
Come over there.
Sweet, thank you, you too. Well, that went well. I know this is like a little itchy, but good stuff. So that one I did the PCR test, which is like the good one. And then tomorrow I'm going and getting just like a rapid test, so that I'm extra safe. And we're good to go for Thanksgiving. I'm so excited to go home. I'm trying this protein dark chocolate muffin from Trader Joe's. It's gluten-free and it's literally microwavable. You add water. It looks so good. So let's try it out. I'll let you guys know my thoughts. 12 grams of protein. I'm going backwards back to the shadow. Whoa, this is so hot. You see that steam? I never seem to burn my tongue. It's good. It's like not super sweet. It's dark chocolate. Mmm. Me thinking, oh, this would be even better with Nutella on it.
Oh God, I can't be looking like that.
No, you're not in it yet. Okay, so it's later in the day. I'm on FaceTime with my friend Katie, and we just booked a very exciting trip. We are going on a ski trip in January, early January. I'm very excited. Should I say I'll film it? Can I film it?
Film what?
The ski trip.
Oh yeah, let's
Okay.
film.
Okay, so we're gonna film it, so make sure you guys subscribe. We're going to Stowe Mountain in Vermont. We're doing a whole weekend, and I'm gonna show you Katie. Hey, Katie.
If you see us, say hi.
Yep, say hi. And we're going to Stowe, and it looks like a whole little fun village. Oh, you're low battery. And yeah, that's exciting news. A fun little Christmas gift to ourselves. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. So I'm gonna go head down and get some breakfast. It's late. I've been working for like an hour and a half. It's been so busy. I am going to Africa for work, which is very exciting, but we are applying for visas. I was caught up doing that and time got away from me. So let's go get some coffee and breakfast and start our day. Time for COVID test number 2. We're going back to Walgreens to get a rapid test just to be safe. Still haven't gotten my other results back, but I'm gonna go for a little walk before. It's actually like 55 degrees out, which is so weird. It's been like 35 the past few days, so enjoy the nice weather. I'm wearing this jacket, but like I'm warm. It feels like spring kind of, which is weird. But just a quick little midday walk, a little break from work. I think it's so needed. If you're watching this and you're working right now, go out for a quick 20-minute walk. I just walked by people. It will make your day so much more productive. So go out, take a walk, get some fresh air, and then back to work. COVID round 2. That was so quick. I already got my results back for the test I just took. They were negative. I still haven't gotten my results from like the long test that like takes longer, so I still need to wait on that, but hopefully they'll be negative. And hopefully they'll be negative and then I'll head home tomorrow. I'm so excited to go home for Thanksgiving. I'm currently filming a little outfits video. So basically I've had this idea forever and I haven't done it. I wanted to like match like stereotypical outfits to my stereotypical hairstyles. If you don't know, on my TikTok, I like pretty much became known for my hairstyles. Not so much anymore, but like that was like how I got my followers. And so I thought it'd be fun now that I have short hair again to do this. So this is my like cottagecore fit. We've got the long dress, the denim, the sweater, the bandana. Really channeling my Vermont vibes in this fit, but I'm doing 6 outfits, 6 hairstyles. That video will probably go live after this one, so make sure you guys subscribe so you can see that video. Little sneak peek, here we go. Filming. Just finished filming my hair and outfits video, so make sure you guys check that out. It'll be up next week. And now I need to pack for Thanksgiving and I don't know what to bring. I'm gonna be home for over a week, so I'll bring a lot. I'm not gonna be doing anything. We're gonna be like watching Christmas movies, but still need some fits. Just sweatpants. Currently packing. So much stuff. Why am I bringing so much stuff? I'm going home for a week. Well, a week and a half. I'm just gonna put it all in my laundry bin because it's easier to pack there and then just hope it all fits. Good morning, everyone. It's 7 a.m. Let me show you to prove it. I woke up this early to get my COVID test results because I was like hoping that they were in. And they are, they're negative. I'm so tired, but I think I'm gonna drive home right now before my work day. I don't know if I'm gonna surprise my parents yet. I think I'm gonna stop at Trader Joe's on my way out of town. I'm like quarantining, so I'm not like being anywhere near my parents, but it opens at 8, and I think if I get there at 8, no one will be there. And I wanna see if they have a Kringle. But I feel like they won't have it, but I'm crossing my fingers. So let's get ready and go on a Kringle hunt. So I'm now home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been home now for a few days and I'm just ending this vlog off here. I've had a lot of fun. Thanksgiving is in a few days, but we've just been enjoying our time, making lots of treats, lots of desserts, going on walks, It snowed today. So just getting in the holiday spirit. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys next week with another new video. Bye.
And every time I